What's up, everybody? Your boys up. Back at you on a video, man, and we're about to do this monkey, ask young girls a little bit of questions, 17, 8 years old. Know what I'm saying? You ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Diamond, let's see what she about. Yo. Yo.
Hey,
I'm about to say they just trying to stare at us.
I don't know.
I thought they was gonna stare at us.
Oh, time. Big black, guess gay.
Should've let it.
Ask a girl. Okay, Emily, she's white. Racist.
How you know?
Yo, what's up?
Yo.
Hey.
Oh, wait, alright, time.
Ah.
Alright, so let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Who would you pick out of us two?
I can't really see her.
I'll say.
Not my type. Actually, you.
Me?
It's a gray.
Me?
Yeah, it's a gray. Yeah.
Alright, that's all I had to ask you.
Okay.
Where you
bye.
from? Oh, okay, bye.
Oh, yeah.
Where you from?
Yeah.
Well, I got the first boy, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Wait, we got Alex. Oh, he's gay. I mean, he's a boy. Alright, let's go. Lexus. She's 20, bro. I'm gonna pull a 20-year-old though. Yo. What's up? I think she's racist. That's what I hate her, bro. I just hate
That was the ring finger I said.
Alright. You barely can find any girls, bro. Alright, meet Lizzie. Liz.
That might be a boy.
Yo.
Oh.
Hello?
Hola.
How y'all doing? Imagine ignoring us. Crazy? I swear, bro, girls are weird these days, bro.
They just look, they say
And
hi.
I barely can hear. Okay, she's from, New York. That's close from here.
That's like 2 hours away.
Yo. Yo, what's up?
Dick like,
What?
She said dick.
Alright, time. Okay. Alright, let me ask you a question.
Okay.
Alright. Who would you pick out of us two?
Obviously, the one with the pink do-rag.
Why?
Because he's just cute.
Okay.
Thank you for that. Brighten up my day,
Okay. Okay, you got one, I got one, so we going up to 5.
Dude, I told you do-rags get all the girls, son.
Honestly? Okay, she's 19, bro. She's 19.
Pink do-rag, you already know.
You right, boy? you right? We can't do. Okay, yes. Accept. Yo.
Y'all got your phone upside down?
Yeah, your phone's upside down. Alright, let me ask you a question. Y'all too. Alright. Wait, Alright, cool. So, who would you pick out of us two?
For what activity?
Who would you pick out of us two?
For what?
Like, dating wise. Wait, what? Which one?
I'm so uncomfortable right now.
But like, just.
I don't know y'all.
I mean,
We not seeing that y'all got to date us. We just
yeah,
asking.
we just asking which one.
I don't know, because we're both like
Y'all have boyfriends or something?
guys.
Y'all bi? Like, I don't.
No, son.
Oh, okay.
For a straight person, probably the left.
Oh, left. So from her left.
Nah.
No,
that's
it's me.
That's
No,
me.
that's me.
We're not.
She said,
better see
bro.
this.
She said if she was straight. Okay, let me add her. Okay.
Yeah,
go.
son, you try to judge her, son. She said.
Yo. What's up? Alright, let me ask y'all three a question. Okay. Alright. Time, my bad. Alright. If you had to date one of us, which one would you pick?
They ain't that one in the background.
Okay.
Sexy, son.
Bro, you don't get no bitches. Shut up.
I'm tired of you talking.
To do right?
The hoodie.
Oh, the hoodies. No, I'm saying. I mean, yeah. Him? Wait, me?
No, nigga. She
No,
said
but
me,
the
son.
one girl said
She said
hoodie.
me. She said me.
The one girl said hoodie though, and then the other girl said do right. No, bro.
So all me? All me?
No. Wait, wait on.
Hold on, we can't hear you.
Alright, what? Alright, at time. Okay, what? I mean, you heard her, so.
I don't understand. Bro, she's confusing it on me.
She's. Alright, so. Right. So, which one will you pick? The hoodie. Oh, okay. Oh.
But she
that's all we
said
gotta
she liked both of us, but she'd date you.
Exactly.
Okay, but she liked both of us.
So, who won?
Nobody.
Bull.
Nobody won.
I won.
The girl has to actually like us.
The video is about dating wise.
No, it's not. It's about.
I said it in the beginning of the clip.
All right.
I got 3.
I got one.
Okay, she's 19. So. Yo. Hey.
Hey.
Alright, let me ask you a question.
What?
Okay. If you had to pick between us two, which one would you pick? Oh, time.
Come on.
Boom!
I hate when they do
I'm
that.
about to hit it with a right. I'm about to hit it with that mean right. Oh my god. Leslie.
Leslie.
Yo. What's up? Alright, so let me ask y'all two a question. Hold on. Add time. Can you add time? Alright, cool. Alright, let me ask y'all two a question, okay? Alright, if y'all had a date between us two, which one would you pick?
Neither, because we both grown and y'all
Y'all grown?
Adios.
Anyways, you know, nice. Like and subscribe.
It's your boy. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at nolimit_.lee. Feel me? LE.
Alright.
Hermit.